Decide and Deliver book provides a comprehensive guide to improving a decision making in organizations. The book argues that effective decision making is crucial to business success and highlights the importance of making the right decisions at every level of the organization. In this book, the authors explain how to build decision making capabilities, foster alignment, and create a culture that supports swift and accurate decisions. The book provides a practical framework to address decision-making inefficiencies, ensuring that organizations can respond to challenges and opportunities with clarity and speed. Hey there, leaders and decision makers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an essential book for everyone in the business, Decide and Deliver by Marcia W. Blenko, Michael C. Mankins, and Paul Rogers. In a world where decisions are constantly being made, the quality of those decisions can either make or break an organization. Decide and Deliver gives you the tools to improve decision making at every level and ensure that your team can deliver results faster and more effectively. Ready to learn how to make better, quicker, and more aligned decisions? Let's jump into the key takeaways from this game changing book. First, let's talk about why decision making is so critical. Authors argues that good decisions are the foundation of any successful businesses. But here is the catch. Bad decisions can be costly. They waste time, resource, and can harm your company's reputation. In fact, the book points out that 50% of corporate leaders' decisions lead to disappointing results, often because of poor alignment, ambiguity, or lack of follow-through. The key takeaways: to succeed, organizations need to focus on improving the quality and speed of their decision-making process. One of the most interesting concepts in Decide and Deliver is the idea of decision rights. This means clearly defining who is responsible for making each decision. Authors emphasize that when decision rights are unclear, it leads to confusion, delays, and poor outcomes. For example, if no one knows who is responsible for approving budgets, you might see bottlenecks that slow down your entire business. The solution: establish clear decision making authority and ensure that everyone knows who has the final say in different areas. This clarity leads to faster decision making and better results. Next, authors talk about creating a decision making culture. In many organizations, decision making is left to a few top executives, but that is not sustainable. For an organization to thrive, decision making needs to be embedded at all levels. Employees should be empowered to make decisions in their areas of expertise. This means fostering an environment where risk taking is encouraged and where people feel accountable for the decisions they make. A decision driven culture can accelerate results, drive innovation, and create a more engaged workforce. So, how do we make better decisions? Authors introduce a structured framework for decision making. This framework involves a few key steps. The first one is clarify the decision. What exactly needs to be decided? In the second, identify decision makers. Who should make the decision? Third, gather data. What information is needed? 4. Consider alternatives. What are the options? 5. Evaluate and decide. What is the best choice? The sixth, communicate the decision. How will you let others know? The seventh is follow up. How will you ensure the decision is executed properly? By following these steps, organizations can make more informed, efficient, and aligned decisions. A key insight in Decide and Deliver is the balance between decision speed and quality. Often companies struggle to make decisions quickly because they are focused on getting everything perfect. While quality is important, the book stresses that speed is just as crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. The authors recommend that you strike a balance between being thorough and being efficient. In some cases, it's okay to make a good enough decision and iterate quickly rather than overanalyzing and missing opportunities. By making decisions faster, you can adapt quickly, stay ahead of competitors, and deliver results. Another major takeaway is the importance of aligning decisions with your organization's broader strategy. Authors explain that when decisions are made in isolation, they can conflict with overall goals and lead to confusion. To solve this, it's crucial that decisions at all levels are aligned with the company's mission, vision, and strategic priorities. For example, if your business strategy focuses on innovation, your decisions should prioritize new products, technology, or customer experiences. Alignment ensures that every decision pushes your business in the right direction. So, to wrap it up, here are the key takeaways from the Decide and Deliver book. First is decision making is crucial to success and bad decisions are costly. Second, define clear decisions right to avoid confusion and delays. Third, build a culture that empowers decision making at all levels. Next, the fourth is follow a structured framework for better decision making. Fifth, balance decision speed with quality for faster execution. And the last, align decisions with the company's overall strategy to ensure they drive results. So, are you ready to make better decisions and deliver stronger results? Then hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from these insights. And let me know in the comments, how does your organization approach decision making? Let's discuss and learn from each other. Until next time, make decisions that count and deliver success.